In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email notifications in HubSpot for 2025. This process is quite straightforward, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully to ensure your notifications are set up correctly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. This is your starting point, so open your preferred web browser and search for HubSpot's user guide page. Once you're there, you'll see a comprehensive guide that can help you with a range of features, but today we're focusing on email notifications. Next, look for the settings icon within your HubSpot dashboard. This icon is generally represented by a small gear symbol and can usually be found at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will bring you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your HubSpot account. Think of settings as the control hub of your account, allowing you to manage everything from integrations to user management. After accessing the settings page, direct your attention to the email section. It's typically listed among other categories such as general, contacts, and others. So scroll through the menu on the left side of your screen to find email. Clicking on it will take you to the email preferences page. This is where you begin to tailor your communication settings. Once in the email section, you may notice an option that reads, "Notifications are off." This indicates that your email notifications are currently disabled. Clicking on this option is essential to proceed with the activation. You will be presented with a toggle switch or similar mechanism that allows you to enable notifications. This feature is designed to enhance your user experience by keeping you informed about important updates and activities within your account. Before wrapping up, consider reviewing the types of notifications you wish to receive. HubSpot allows you to decide which updates you'll be alerted about, such as deals, tasks, or contact activity, by offering various toggles or checkboxes. Customize these notifications based on what's most relevant to your workflow. This personalization helps avoid unnecessary clutter in your inbox while ensuring you stay informed about crucial updates. And there you have it, a simple guide to turning on email notifications within HubSpot. Make sure to periodically revisit these settings to confirm they align with any changes in your business processes or personal preferences. By following these steps, you've ensured that you'll never miss an important update in HubSpot again. This setup can significantly enhance your workflow and ensure you stay connected with all the essential activities happening in your HubSpot environment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.